Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Nur Syuhadah Binti Mohd Zambri, and today I would like to start my presentation for PSM1 proposal. At first, I would like to say my gratitude to the respective evaluators, my lecturers, my friends, and for those who watched this video presentation. So I was supervised by technologist Dr. Muhammad Zambri bin Osman, and he is also the one that proposed this topic to me, which is suspicious transaction detection model for anti-money laundering based on machine learning techniques. So here is table of content, everything that I will be explaining later. So we have problem background and the proposed solutions, objective, scopes, and project requirements. Next, the first thing is problems background. It is a Sisyphean task to always keep the existing rules up to date and relevant, as well as to decide how to evaluate the various rules. Criminals usually use sophisticated methods to hide the source of their illegal funds, making it difficult for the authorities or government to detect and stop this activity. According to the Global Financial Integrity Report, our country, which is Malaysia, has risen to the fifth position in the world in terms of illicit financial flows of US dollar 30.7 million between 2009 and 2018. Additionally, these existing systems are expensive and time consuming to review and generate many false positives that may prevent suspicious activity. The second one is proposed solutions. The purpose solution of this research is to use machine learning as a promising anti-money laundering detection technology because it can learn patterns and anomalies from large transaction datasets. In addition, this method improves the existing methodology while also reducing the manual work because the model is directly on the transactions instead of suspicious accounts. This also allows financial institutions to automate the process of classify suspicious transactions and reduce the number of false positives with alerts. Moreover, this will help financial institutions effectively combat money laundering because financial institutions need advanced, customizable solutions to detect and prevent them. Next, the third one is the objective of this research. First, to investigate the machine learning techniques in suspicious transaction for anti-money laundering. Second one, to develop an anti-money laundering model to detect suspicious transaction based on machine learning techniques. And lastly, to evaluate the proposed anti-money laundering model based on the performance metrics. The fourth part is the scope of this project. This research will include the use of three prominent machine learning techniques, which will be drawn from the large current literature on anti-money laundering methodology. To begin, many potential algorithms in the domain of supervised learning will be investigated. This will involve a look at well-known models like random forest, which have advantages in AML identification. Besides, unsupervised learning approach will also be used to find hidden patterns or anomalies in the data, eliminating the necessity for label samples. Clustering approaches and anomaly detection algorithms such as isolation forests will be essential in this endeavor. Also, the field of deep learning will be explored, providing an overview of neural networks and their ability to comprehend complex transactional data. The selection of the best algorithm will be a significant component of the project's methodology, based on true examination and empirical data. While Kaggle is a well-known platform for data science and machine learning, which will be the source of quality datasets for this project. The focus will be on the IBM transactions for anti-money laundering dataset, which is aimed to replicate a virtual world inhabited by individuals, organizations, and banks with interaction involving various financial transactions occurring among them. Notably, these transactions, which cover a wide range of financial operations, are mostly supported by the banks. The chosen dataset has a large amount of data, offering a solid basis for training and testing the machine learning model. These large datasets will allow for comprehensive analysis, effective model training, and rigorous performance evaluation, all of which are necessary for obtaining high level of accuracy and efficiency in detecting suspicious activity. Into the last part, which is the project requirements. As for software, I'll be using PyCharm CE for the file text editor. And then for document purposes, I will be using Microsoft Office 365. And currently, the hardware I'm using is Apple MacBook Air M1 2020. And then to be able to run the datasets, the technology that I will use is Python programming language. And the techniques, as I mentioned before this, is machine learning techniques. And I'll be looking forward for the research by using algorithm like random forest, isolation forest, and neural networks. And for the network elements, this research may contain real-time processing, and for the security elements may contain data encryption, access control, and intrusion detection system. Also, this project is a research base, and this project into the area of machine learning and network security. Thank you so much for listening and for your attention. Till we meet again. Bye bye.